So I'm right here at the Ottawa bus terminal right now. That vending machine I showed at the beginning of this video, they have two of those vending machines by Vending right here at the Ottawa bus terminal, Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. So basically what happened was I went and I bought an iced tea for $2.50, and that vending machine, you have the choice of paying by cash or paying by debit or credit. You can pay by debit or credit if you have one of those tap cards, but anyways, I didn't have enough cash on me, so I decided to use one of my MasterCards, and I tapped it, and even though it came back, use another card. That's what it said on the screen. In other words, like lack of funds. So, okay, actually, no. I used the tap card to pay for the iced tea, $2.50. That went through just fine. But then what happened was I tried purchasing a Reese's peanut butter cup for $2 at this one machine, at one of the two SH vending machines that they have at this station. It declined that transaction. It said use another card. So I tried using another one of my MasterCards, tapped it for the $2 for the Reese's Pieces. It said again, use another card. So I left that machine. I found that there was a second SH vending machine, exactly like that one that I showed you, in the same bus terminal. Tried doing the same thing, same deal. It said use another card. So I decided to hell with those machines. Well, I went to check my transactions on both my credit cards. And on one of my credit cards, one of my MasterCards, it showed the $2.50 that I was being charged for the iced tea. I have no problem with that because I did make that purchase legitimately. But then it showed two separate transactions for $3.75 from the same company, SH Vending. I didn't make any transactions for $3.75. Like, it showed them as pending, but when I checked, I did see that neither of those transactions went through, and I still had the proper amount of money on my MasterCard that I was supposed to have. I checked my other MasterCard. It showed two transactions for, believe it or not, $20 a piece. Again, both of those got declined, thank goodness. But I didn't make any transactions for $20 a piece, just like I didn't make any transactions for $3.75. So it shows that none of those illegitimate transactions went through. And I'm just going to keep an eye on my cards to make sure that they don't go through. And obviously if they do, then I'm going to be calling up my credit card companies and fighting those charges, because those are not legitimate. Didn't try and purchasing anything for $3.75. I sure as hell didn't try purchasing anything from a vending machine for $20. I guess the moral of the story is be damn careful with those vending machines. I guess maybe just try using cash, or maybe just altogether staying away from vending machines. I mean, in most cases, I've had pretty good luck with vending machines, but if they're going to try ripping me off that way, then to hell with them. I'm done using vending machines. At least vending machines from SH Vending. Yeah, just be careful, and you might want to think twice about using vending machines, especially if you're using your credit cards at them.